how to set up Google Drive on Mac. So let's get started. First thing first, go to any web browser and go to the drive.com. Now once you are inside the drive, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon available in the top right corner of your screen and it will show you the drop down menu. Now from the drop down menu, tap on the view in desktop option available there. You can see view drive in desktop, tap on it. Now it will lead you to the another website and from there tap on the download drive to desktop. Now just wait for a few minutes for the download process, and once the download is completed, you will see this on your screen. Now all you have to do is double tap on it and from there simply continue with the process. The drive will ask for the storage option in the Mac. All you have to do is allow it, and after you allow it, it will ask for your Mac password. All you have to do is enter your password now. After you enter it again, continue with the process. Now Google Drive also allows you to sync specific folders from your Mac to Google Drive. Select which folders you want to backup and sync, then click on the OK. Now after all this, you can adjust settings like which files are synced and how they are stored by clicking the Google Drive icon in the menu bar and then selecting preferences. That's it. You have successfully set up Google Drive on your Mac, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.